Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix this app is no longer compatible with your device. Contact the developers for more info. Error on Android. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for Google Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and again clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permissions option, check first to last allow all permission, first contacts allow back, location allow back, microphone allow back, nearby devices allow back, and notifications turn on notifications. Okay, back. Phone allow back, SMS allow. Okay, back to home screen. Now go to Google Play Store, tap on profile icon, scroll down, then tap on settings, tap on about, scroll down. Now check on update Google Play Store. Okay, back. Tap on search bar, search for Chrome and see. Now open Google Chrome. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.